All right, let's talk Windows 11. What is it? It's the latest and greatest operating system from Microsoft. Think of it as the brain of your computer. It lets you run all your programs, browse the web, play your favorite games. Microsoft gave it a major facelift compared to Windows 10. You'll notice a fresh, modern look with a centered Start menu, rounded corners on all the windows, and some slick new animations. It's designed to be cleaner, faster, and more intuitive. It's not just about looks. There are cool features under the hood. So, why install it? New PC, upgrades, better gaming, improved security, and handy tools like snap layouts, even Android app integration. If you're looking for a more streamlined modern experience, a fresh Windows 11 install is the way. It's like moving into a brand new house, clean, organized, and exactly how you want it. Now, you might be thinking, installing an operating system sounds complicated and scary. I get it. Messing with core software can feel intimidating. But trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. The process is almost foolproof now. We'll go through it together, step by step. I'll break down every part, explain weird words, and show you exactly what to click. No confusing jargon, promise. We'll start with tools, end with final drivers, and get your system ready for action. A perfectly running Windows 11 machine. You'll feel confident handling your own tech, the tech hero for friends and family. Grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive in. This is going to be fun. You've got this. Before we start, gather a few tools. You need a computer, new build, or older machine to upgrade. Make sure it meets Windows 11 requirements, supported processor and TPM 2.0. Search Windows 11 system requirements for the full list. You'll need a USB flash drive, at least 8 GB, preferably 16 or more. Creating the installer erases the USB. Back up anything important first. Once it's gone, it's gone. You also need a working computer with a stable internet connection. Windows download is several gigabytes. Slow internet? Start the download and grab a snack. About licenses. A 25-character product key proves ownership. Buy via Microsoft or authorized retailers. Upgrading from an activated Windows 10. It often carries over. New builds typically need a new key. You can install without one, but you'll see a watermark, and some customization is locked. Checklist. Compatible PC, USB drive, another computer, internet, and a license plan. With that sorted, let's create the installer USB. Time to make our magic installation wand, the bootable USB. Search Download Windows 11 and go to Microsoft's official site. Locate Windows 11 Installation Media Creation Tool and click Download Now. Open the downloaded file and click Yes if prompted. Accept the license terms. Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. Keep the recommended options for most users. Choose USB flash drive and click Next. Insert your empty 8 GB or larger USB. Carefully select the correct drive. This will erase it completely. Click Next. The tool downloads Windows 11 and writes it to your USB. This can take a while. Grab coffee. When it finishes, your bootable USB installer is ready. Plug the USB into your target PC. By default, PCs boot from the internal drive. We need to change that. Enter the BIOS, check UEFI, the setup screen that runs before Windows. Right after powering on, tap the key for your system. F2, F10, F12, or delete. If unsure, search your model plus BIOS key. In BIOS UEFI, find boot, boot order, or boot priority. Locate your USB, e.g., Kingston Data Traveler, removable device, or USB HDD, and move it to the top using the on-screen keys. Choose Save and Exit or Exit Saving Changes, often F10, then confirm Yes. The PC restarts and should now boot from your USB installer. If you did it right, you'll see the Windows logo and spinning dots. It's working. Choose language, time and currency, and keyboard layout. Defaults are usually fine. Click Next. Click Install Now. You'll see Setup is starting. Enter your 25-character product key if you have it. No key? Click I don't have a product key. You can activate later in settings. Pick the edition matching your license. Home suits most users. Choose Pro if you need features like BitLocker or remote desktop. Accept the license terms. Choose Custom. Install Windows only, Advanced, for a clean, fresh system. New, empty drive. Select it and click Next. Reinstalling. Delete old partitions until you see one block of unallocated space. Select it, then Next. Windows copies files and installs. Your PC may restart a few times. The hard part is over. Welcome to the out-of-box experience. Confirm your country, region, and keyboard. Add a second layout if needed, otherwise skip. Connect to Ethernet or choose your Wi-Fi. Enter the password and connect. Windows will fetch updates and drivers. Name your PC, gaming PC, living room laptop, or have fun with it. Sign in with your Microsoft account, same as Xbox, Outlook, OneDrive, to sync settings and files. Create a PIN, quick and secure for this device. Review privacy options like location, diagnostic data, and advertising ID. Choose what you're comfortable with. You can change these later. Windows finishes setup, getting things ready for you. Congratulations, you're on your shiny new Windows 11 desktop. Drivers are translators between your hardware and Windows. Without the right ones, graphics or sound may misbehave. First, run Windows Update. Start. Settings. Windows Update. Check for updates. Install everything, including advanced and optional updates. Reboot as needed. Get the latest graphics driver directly. NVIDIA or AMD sites have auto-detect tools for the best, stable performance. Then, download chipset drivers from your motherboard maker's support page, ASUS, Gigabyte, MSI, for your exact model. Right-click Start, Device Manager. Look for any yellow exclamation marks. Right-click and Update Driver to search automatically, or identify hardware and download drivers manually. No yellow marks? You're golden. Install your favorite apps and games. Enjoy your fully set up Windows 11 PC. Nicely done.